Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your HTC Desire 12S, at the first you have to go for the settings, then tap on the connected devices, select printing and tap to add the service. Right now we have to download the plugin from company of your printer. So in my case I will go for the HP print service. Right now let's open, scroll 3 times, then accept this stuff, click start, and right now our smartphone is connected with printer, so I will show you how we can print, for example, picture. So I will take this photo, then we have to click right here, select HP print service, select our printer, and then just simply tap on this icon to print that picture. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!